The question is that clauses 1 through 12 stand part of the bill. All those in favor, please say aye.
Aye.
Against, no. The ayes have it. Clauses 1 through 12 stand part of the bill. Member from Easton, in response to your inquiry off mic, it would be clause 23. That's why I put 1 through 12. No.
Clause 13, application for registration. Clause 14, date of filing. Clause 15, examination of application. Clause 16, publication, opposition proceedings and observations. Clause 17, withdrawal, restrictions, or amendment of application. Clause 18, registration. Clause 19, duration of registration. Clause 20, renewal of registration. Clause 21, annual fees. Clause 22, altercation of registered trademark.
The question is that clauses 13 through 22 stand part of the bill. All those in favor, please say aye.
Aye.
Against, no. The ayes have it. Clauses 13 through 22 now stand part of the bill. Members, as indicated, it would be necessary to bring an amendment to clause 23 to incorporate the concerns that were raised and agreed on by the members of the House. Can I have the consensus of members to not put the question in clause 23 until it has followed the correct procedure for the amendment and move on to clause 24? Okay, thank you. Madam Clerk, clause 24. Member from Easton.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Madam Chair, as long as we don't have consequential changes in any other one and subsequent ones, because then we would have to recommit it. As long as we understand we might have recommitted something.
Okay. Noted.
Clause 24. Specially protected emblems. Sorry. Clause 25. Relative grounds for refusal of registration. Clause 26. Raising of relative grounds in case of honest concurrent use. Clause 27. Requirement that relative grounds be raised in opposition proceedings. Clause 28. Earlier trademark searches. Clause 29. Rights conferred by registered trademark. Clause 30, infringement of registered trademark. Clause 31, limits on effective registered trademark. Clause 32, exhaustion of rights conferred by registered trademark. Clause 33, registration subject to disclaimer or limitation. Clause 34, information about application of registered trademarks.
The question is that clauses 24 through 34 stand part of the bill. All those in favor, please say aye.
Aye.
Against, no. The ayes have it. Clauses 24 through 34 now stand part of the bill.
Clause 35, nature of registered trademark. Clause 36, trusts and equities. Clause 37, co-ownership of registered trademark. Clause 38, assignment, etc. of registered trademark. Clause 39, registration of transactions affecting registered trademark. Clause 40, application for registration of trademark as an object of property. Clause 41, license to use trademark. Clause 42, general provisions as to rights of licensee in case of infringement. Clause 43, surrender of registered trademark. Clause 44, revocation of registration. Clause 45, grounds for grounds for invalidity of registration. Clause 46, effect of acquisition of earlier trademark. Clause 47, action for infringement. Clause 48, order for erasure, etc., of offending sign. Clause 49, order for delivery up of infringing goods, material, or articles. Clause 50, meaning of infringing goods, etc. Clause 51, period after which remedy of delivery app not available. Clause 52, order as to disposal of infringing goods, materials, or articles. Clause 53, remedy for groundless threats of infringement proceedings. Clause 54, registration to be prima facie evidence of validity.
The question is that clauses 35 through 54 stand part of the bill. All those in favor, please say aye.
Aye.
Against, no. The ayes have it. Clauses 35 through 54 now stand part of the bill.
Clause 55, certificate of validity of contested registration.
Honourable Minister, I believe you have an amendment to clause 55.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Madam Chair, in accordance with the provisions of Standing Order 52.1 and 2, I, the Minister responsible for Financial Services, Commerce and Environment, give notice to move the following amendments to the Trademarks Bill. That the bill be amended as follows. A, in clause 55, subclause 2, by deleting the words, quote, as between attorney and client, close quote, and by substituting the words, quote, on the indemnity basis, close quote.
Madam Chair.
Member from Easton,
That-
unless you're asking a procedural thing, can the chair just say that amendment has been moved? And does any member wish to speak thereto? Member from Easton.
Madam Chair, if you, that is removing attorney and client and just putting indemnity basis.
That's 55 too, member?
Yes, madam. Yes, Madam Chair. The proposal entailed to cost as between. Are we removing between attorney and client? Those three words, between attorney and client, or? Because I haven't seen it. Madam Chair, I haven't seen the amendment. It may have been circulated, but we got so much paper over here trying to keep up with you guys. Okay.
If no other member wishes to speak, the question is that the amendment start part of the clause. All those in favor, please say aye.
Aye.
Against, no. The amendment stands part of the clause. The question is that clause 55, 2 as amended, now stand part of the bill. All those in favor, please say aye.
Aye.
Against, no. The ayes have it. Clause 55, 2 as amended, now stand part of the bill.
Clause 56, registrar's appearance in proceedings involving the register. Clause 57, appeal tribunal. Clause 58, appeals from decision of the registrar. Clause 59, appeals from decisions of the appeal tribunal. Clause 60, requirement for registered agent. Clause 61, provisions restricting importation of infringing goods. Clause 62, unauthorized use of trademark in relation to goods. Clause 63, falsification of register. Clause 64, falsely representing trademark as registered. Clause 65, offenses committed by partnership and bodies corporate. Clause 66, powers of police officers and trade officers. Clause 67, powers of entry, etc. Clause 68, obstruction. Clause 69, false and misleading information.
The question is that clauses 56 through 69 stand part of the bill. All those in favor, please say aye.
Aye.
Against, no. The ayes have it. Clauses 56 through 69 now stand part of the bill.
Clause 70, regulations.
Honourable Minister, I believe you have an amendment to clause 70.
Yes, thank you, Madam Chair. Madam Chair, as noted previously, I move the amendment to clause 70 of the bill as follows. Firstly, in subclause 1, by inserting after paragraph 1 the following paragraph: 1A, the regulation of the professional conduct of and the discipline of registered agents who are not admitted to practice and who are not enrolled as attorneys at law under the Legal Practitioners Law 2015 revision. And secondly, Madam Chair, in respect of subclause 3, by deleting the word, quote, statutory, and substituting the word, quote, voluntary.
The amendment has been duly moved. Does any member wish to speak to the amendment? If not, the question is that clause 70 stand part of the clause. All those in favor, please say aye.
Aye.
Against, no. The ayes have it. Clause 70 now stands part of the amendment in clause 70 now stand part of the clause. The question is that clause 70 as amended now stand part of the bill. All those in favor, please say aye.
Aye.
Against, no. The ayes have it. Clause 70 as amended now stand part of the bill.
Clause 71, savings and transitional. Schedule 1, collective marks. Schedule 2, certification marks.
The question is that clauses 7 to 1 and Schedule 1 and 2 stand part of the bill. All those in favor, please say aye.
Aye.
Against, no. The ayes have it. Accordingly, clause 7 to 1, Schedule 1 and 2 now stand part of the bill. All those in favor, please say aye.
Aye.
Against, no. Clauses 17, Schedule 1 and 2 stands part of the bill. Members, we still have to revert to clause 23. Honourable, we're still waiting for it to be formally typed up. We have to dispose of this bill. That's the only thing left in this bill.
fact that so when you get there, you say to her is that this was not circulated, but you seek her leave to make the simple amendment.